100 गोंयकार तारवटीक घेवन क्रूज बोट गोंयच्या दर्यांत पावली. बोटीर सुमार 500 तारवटी आसात. 100 गोंयकार. पोर्ट्स मंत्री मायकलान मुख्यमंत्री आनी मुख्य सचिवा बरोबर बसका घेतली. केंद्रीय घर मंत्रालयान घालून दिल्ले पद्दती प्रमाण बोट थेट गोंयांक नांगरूंक मेळना. ती मुंबय बंदरार व्हरपाची. तारवटीक टेस्ट आनी स्क्रिनींग करून थंय 14 ते 21 दिसांचे क्वॉरंटीन जाले उपरांत तातल्या गोंयकार तारवटीक गोंय सरकार बसी धाडून हाडटलो. उपरांत गोंयांत 14 दीस होम क्वॉरंटीन.
Indian seafarers residing in the state of Goa, and there is one ship, cruise ship, Karnika by name, by Jalesh Cruises Mauritius. This ship is carrying 100 Goan seafarers. हे जे आमचे गोंयकार कोण junior accountant, barman, waiters, cooks, chefs, assistant cook, सगळे फ्लोर सुपरवायझर, सगळे हे काम करपी 100 जाण have come by sea and they are offshore of Goa. To bring them directly inside, we do not have the authority. There are MHA guidelines. MHA guidelines dille ha. They have to follow protocol. So the ship which is come here, we cannot allow it to be come to MPT or even to Goa port. So the letter, their request letter had come to captain of ports, which had come to my department. From there we send it to secretary and we send it to chief secretary, and after that it will come to me. So but chief secretary, myself and honorable chief minister had a meeting. So how do we go about with this? Directly they cannot come here because 100 people to quarantine right now we do not have that facility. Now their disembarkment is in Mumbai. So they have to get down in Mumbai and quarantine facility is there in Mumbai for them 14 days. They have to get quarantined there and they will give them certificate after 14 days that they are fit, means they are negative for COVID-19. We will send the buses from Goa to Mumbai to pick them up from there, and we will bring them to Goa and check them again for COVID-19, whether they are positive or negative, and then they have to go back again for quarantine in their houses. That is again 14 days over here. This is the protocol to be followed.